This is the crater of Locon volcano on 23rd March 2024. In this moment, I'm guiding one family from Canada, family Kedo. Branson, you say something.
Say something. Say volcano.
This volcano, the last big erupted 29 August 2015.
Okay.
And after active, and many times it's forbidden to come to this volcano.
Okay.
Until today. Today is still level 2.
Okay.
So I suggest you, we don't stop long time
Ah.
in this volcano, yeah?